Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to register CRA My Account first time in 2025. For that, first of all, you will have to open your web browser, and here in the search bar, you need to search for canada.ca. So once you are on this website, you will see sign in to a CRA account. So this is for the existing users, but since we want to register as a new one, you will have to first of all click on this tab, and then you will be landed on this page. Now here in the right hand section, you will see register for CRA account, and this is what we want. So you will have to click on register for CRA account, and before proceeding to the registration process, make sure that you read these details carefully. Over here, you need to have some of the documents handy, like your SIN number, your date of birth proof, the amounts that you reported on your most recent tax return. So these are the documents that are necessary, so make sure that you have these documents. After that, you can just choose any of the sign in options like sign in partner, CRA user ID and password, and provincial partner. So here you can just simply click on this one, that is CRA user ID and password, and you need to simply again read these details before actually proceeding to the next step. Now once you have all of your documents ready, and once you have all of the things read, you just have to come on this page where you need to validate your identity by providing your social insurance number. Then you need to provide your date of birth. After that, you need to provide your tax details. So once you filled this form, you need to simply click on the next button. On the next page, you will have to simply provide further details, so you just have to do that, and this way you can basically register at CRA for the very first time. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.